Are we Nigerians? Anyway.
Hello there, my name is Adelokun Precious Aderoke, and I am here live at the Oxbridge Tutorial College, celebrating the Nigerians' independence with the theme United We Stand. I am happy to be a Nigerian. Are you happy to be a Nigerian? I'll be having lots of people on my red carpet show today, who'll be sharing thoughts and highlights of today's program. Stay tuned and we'll be right back.
All right, so here with me, I have my beautiful mommy, and I won't tell you her name, so I would like her to introduce herself. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
All right, ma'am. Can we know your name, ma'am?
I'm Dr. Olufemi Ogunsanya.
Dr. Olufemi Ogunsanya. Yes, she's the managing director of Oxbridge Tutorial College. It's my pleasure to meet you, ma'am.
Nice meeting you too.
Yes, ma'am. All right, mommy. We know the situations of the country the country Nigeria. Should we really be celebrating the independence?
The more reason why we should.
Okay.
And to go back in time and understand our history. If we understand where we were coming from and we understand the history of this country, we have a lot to celebrate. Despite the situations, there are still so many reasons for celebrations. People who are doing fantastic things, Nigerians performing wonderfully well all over the world. Yes, there are hitches now, but to God be the glory, we are alive and kicking. And for that alone, there's always a reason to celebrate.
So can you tell us your highlight of today's event?
My highlight was the next program I did. It was very good. One of the things I took from today is that we came here to represent different cultures from around the world. And today I saw different cultures, even cultures I've never seen before being represented, and it was in beautiful colors, different dresses, different beads, different jewelry, accessories, hair, everything different. And basically today is just diversity on show and on display.
Each house presented the people to the director. My house, Red House, we presented the people and she gave us a gospel. I think
We are winning.
Tribes, we are very outstanding. Different varieties of contact as well for
Your highlight.
highlight of today's event was when we were dancing on our music and everyone who were not from our culture also joined in, and that was a very mesmerizing moment for me as we integrated two cultures and we were dancing together.
As the highlight of the day was definitely when we were coming out during the fashion parade to represent our different tribes. It was so heartwarming, like how everyone is represented. Even if you're not in that tribe, you can always come and support them. It was wonderful, it was beautiful.
It was the time we were having the wedding ceremony of some of the tribes. Some of the tribes, and then when they said they should come and do fashion parade for different tribes. And that gives me understanding that fine, we may say that because we always say Nigerian culture is very rich, and then it gives most of us a reminder of how things were done in other tribes, even though they're here in Lagos. It's mostly Yoruba and then the other two important tribes, Hausa and Igbo. But they took me a little bit of a journey to some of the things that goes on in other tribes. So it was a wonderful time.
You're looking beautiful, you're looking radiant, you're looking takeaway. All right, so can you tell us your thoughts on today's cultural day?
Today's cultural day was very impressive. We had time to plan it. We had such short time to plan it, and I'm so excited at how it turned out, because I wasn't even expecting it to be this good. Everyone turned up looking so good. All the different groups had so much interesting things to present, and it was just lively and bubbly, and I'm just so excited at the whole turnout. I'm so happy about it.
All right.
Okay, the Igbo tribe, they are, for one thing I may not know a lot because I'm not fully Igbo, I'm half Igbo. But I know that their food is delicious. It's wonderful. The way they dress is beautiful. The beads they use to adorn themselves is also really nice. The way they take out their wedding, it's really wonderful. It's a very beautiful and an exclusive tribe because the way they do their things, no other tribe can
do that. Okay. So just can you tell us just a little thing that you know about your culture that you represent?
Okay, so I know that they engage in a lot of fishing, in farming, and oil mining, and that's their main source of money,
of living,
the south area of Nigeria.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you for joining.
And anytime.
All right.
I particularly like the cultural parade. Okay. Because it's the first time we're doing it the way it was implemented today.
Wow.
That involved ethnic groups, not just students, not just staff on their own, but everybody came together.
Yes.
And that's the mantra at Oxbridge. Collaboration is key, is the current communication. And it's important that we collaborate, that we understand each other, that we see the beauty, the united we stand, which is the theme for this year. So whichever part of the country you come from, we're all first and foremost Nigerians. And we've got to respect that. And we've got to respect each other's culture, appreciate each other's culture, understand each other's culture. So at least that way we can see the beauty in the diversity that brings us together under the boundaries of that beautiful map called Nigeria.
Wow, 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 wow. All right, so thank you very much.
Are we in Nigeria?